Hello everyone, Napster here, and today I'm gonna show you the thumb steer and knob set which I designed and printed. Of course, the kit comes with the thumb steer, which already has double-sided tape attached to it. Then we have a slightly longer screw than the stock ones because we're gonna move the steering wheel a bit later using this spacer. And last but not the least, we have the large knob for the auxiliary channel later. This thumb steer works for both types of DDF-350 steering wheels, this one and the other one. So first we have to use a 2.0 Allen screwdriver to remove the screw and gently remove the steering wheel from the transmitter, but make sure you don't forget the position of the steering wheel to the transmitter. It would be nice to mock up the thumb steer first before removing the adhesive backing of the double-sided tape so that we can have a nice feel or a good feel of the position of the thumb steer. Okay, this feels about right. I don't want it too high or too low because it will be difficult to reach it with my thumb. So I guess the 8 to 9 o'clock mark or 8 to 8:30 mark will be perfect for me. Next, we have to remove the backing from the double-sided tape on the thumb steer. We squeeze the top and bottom part of the thumb steer so that we can properly position the thumb steer in the steering wheel. Make sure that you push it all the way into the steering wheel so that the thumb steer will clear the transmitter body. Okay, before we install the steering wheel back, let's put the spacer inside the hole in the steering wheel so that the thumb steer can clear the body of the transmitter. Okay, make sure that the spacer doesn't fall out. Now we use the longer screw that's part of the kit to install the steering wheel back on the transmitter. Now that we're done with the installation of the thumb steer, let's now move to the installation of the knob. We're gonna put it on this channel. I think it's channel 7 or channel 5. I'm not quite sure about it. Just pry it off with my X-Acto blade and just align the notch inside. Then you're good to go. This knob position is perfect for rear steer RCs because you don't have to use your right hand to control the rear steer. You can still use your right hand to steer the front and use your left thumb or left hand to control the rear steer. So that's it. We've now installed the thumb steer and knob set from A Squared. Thanks for watching.